Today I'm doing a hard reset to a Redmi Note 10s. First of all, we have to turn the phone off and hold some buttons combination. We have to hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously. As soon as the Redmi screen display, hold the button for a few seconds together and then release the power button while remaining holding the volume up, and then we'll just show a menu where it says wipe data. So scroll down with the volume keys and then continue and then confirm it. It will give you a warning saying that you will lose all the data, and just select continue and push the power button, and then you're done. Just go back to the main menu and then reboot your device with the power button. And just wait that your phone fully boots. It will take a few minutes. When your phone fully boot, just set up whatever you had to set up and skip whatever you had to skip until you get to the main screen. Skip. You can set up whatever you skip, you can set up later, and then so you're gonna be in the home screen very soon. So set up this one later, skip, and there you go, you're on the main screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, support our channel.